Well, hello everybody and welcome back, and I've got some awesome information that you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way. Please, please, please. Give the video a thumbs up, thumbs down, give it something. Please interact. Let the video play all the way to the end, including those ads. It's so important. Just as important as leaving a comment. YouTube is, well, being YouTube. And we really, really need your interaction. Not just me, but all the other creators. Because, there's changes being done. And if you want to keep your favorite creators going, it is a free way to help them out. Doesn't cost you anything. So please, give the video all those things. And I love you bunches for it. And I sure hope you got it all done while I was running on. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, welcome. Come on in. Go ahead and subscribe, and that way you won't miss any of our daily deals. We have a deal every day. Lots of awesome information. Speaking of which, make sure you read the comments, because my friends, they make up deals as well, and you're more than welcome to put them in the comments. Because, there's so many variations and so many different needs of everyone. And that's the whole point of this community, is for us to interact with each other. Okay? To talk to each other, to talk to me, leave a comment. I thank you for any of, excuse me, any donations or any super thanks. I truly appreciate and love you bunches. The internet and my computers have been really wonky because we were having all these massive storms. So, I'm not sure if I lost any information or what's going on. We did have a video that failed to load properly, and well, this stuff is time sensitive, okay? This information is time sensitive. And that's why it's important for you to subscribe. I also try to send out a post whenever I put up a new video. So if you get that post, go by the channel and check it out. Alright, now, first up, let's talk about our awesome information, guys. We've got another clearance event coming up. Yeah, I guess they had more stuff they needed to get rid of. They should have put it out the last clearance event, because those last few days were dead. But evidently they got some new stuff, along with what's left of the old stuff. And it's going to be from 6/13 to 6/15. And it is going to be seasonal items, of course, and the core and POG. That's those orange tickets. So again, just like always, go start checking those clearance aisles, looking for those orange tickets, and scanning popular items. And if you scan an item and it is cheaper than what it says it's supposed to be, check it out. And if it is 10 or 25% cheaper, then it is probably going to be on that clearance sale, even if it's not tagged, okay? Just saying. Do some investigation before it rolls around. Alrighty? Okay, now, and of course in the meantime, we'll be trying to get you some more information to let you know what other items might be on the clearance. Okay, guys, and since we're doing this video, and that's really the only clearance information I have for you at this moment, I figured, well, we'll talk about some deals. Because we've got a few. And we've got lots of urns. And well, we can use them. You can use them before Saturday if you want to, but this is my suggestion. Go early Saturday morning with a paper 5 off 25. So go sometime this week and buy something and get you a paper 5 off 25. But go early Saturday morning, and within an hour or so you will have your urns, okay? And that way you're going to save an extra $10. So these are the things that you can pick up. And of course, you don't have to do all these on Saturday if you don't want to. You can do them during the week. one or two at a time. But on Saturday, it will save you an extra $5. So, 2 Purex, the $4 ones, you got a $1.50 earn on each one. Limit is 2, so you're looking at $3. 2 Snuggle beads. Now, scan them. You've got two $2 earns for 2 different types of beads. One is the blue sparkle regular, and one is that newer Snuggle beads that you've seen me pick up the other day in that video. Morning Breeze, I think, is the scent. But you have a $2 earn for each one of those scents. And then you're going to pick up 3 Glade Air, $6.75. You've got a $1.50 earn on each one of those. So that's $4.50. And then you're going to pick up some I Can't Believe It's Butter. For $4, you've got a $2 earn. I did not finish my $2. You've got a $2 earn. You're at $26.25, and with that you can get your 5 off, 25 off, walking out of the store paying $21.25. And before long, you're going to have $13 in earns to spend, making your final out-of-pocket for 8 items $13.25. Now you got $13.25 at this point, so, and another 5 off 25. So you can go do some other deals. And since it is allergy season, and a lot of kids suffer from allergies this time of year, I thought we would do a couple of Allergy Med deals. So, Allegra Kids, 2 bottles for $21. They are $10.50 a piece. You got a $5 earn and a $5 coupon. The Febreze Small Spaces and a Febreze plug-in. And if you can't find the Febreze plug-in, go for the Airwick plug-in. You are at $3.30 with that one, with a $3.30 coupon. You're at $27.55, okay? Here, your 5 off is going to come off. And then you've got $15.30 all total with your coupons, leaving you walking out of the store at $12.25. But then you're going to get your $5 in earns back for this product, leaving you at $7.25. Now, if you were to get your earns back from this one, which is $13, go back to the store, purchase this. You're going to walk out of the store using $12.25 of your earns. And with taxes, you can either pay your taxes or use all of your earns. But then you're going to get $5 back in that account for your earns. Okay? So for all intents and purposes, this is going to be, well, more or less free. In other words, all of this and this $21 in your Febreze plug-in and your Febreze Air Small Spaces is all only going to cost you $21.25, okay? Now, you can do something similar with the Claritin Kids, in case that's what you use. It's 2 for free. Since you're getting back the $5 in earned, you're actually getting the allergy medicine and all the other stuff for $16.25, because you're getting back $5 more in earns. You can do the same thing with the Claritin Kids, only the earns are different. 20, you got $4 earns. Final out of pocket for this one is $8.25, but it's using the same formula with the Febreze plugins. So these are earn deals, and like I said, you don't have to roll it over to this. You could roll it over to something else. You could roll it over to a soda deal. $13.25. That could pretty much get you some free soda. You could use the 3 for $15 with your $4 off coupon. That's going to make that 3 for $11, and that would pay for that. It could get you a free toilet paper deal. Oh, yes, let's do this one real quick. Or we can do a Scott deal. We can roll that to a Scott deal. So, after you get your earns, you can go back in the store and you can pick up 3 Scott products. Just make sure one of them is a toilet paper, one is a paper towel. You have a $1 off coupon for each one, a $3 instant savings. That's $15. You got $13 in earns. You'd be spending like $2 for that. Now, that's good, but we can do better because it's Saturday. As long as it's still Saturday, okay, you're going to have another 5 off 25 paper coupon or a digital. And you are going to pick up the 3 Scott products that we just talked about. A Dawn dish for $4.95, an Arm & Hammer for $4. You've got a $2 off that's attaching to that. It's a Pacific one, so make sure you scan them. And I put it in my last video. And then you're going to pick up 2 of the Founding Fathers coffee because they're BOGO. Buy one, get one free. And they're pods for $6.50. Now, if you don't do coffee, it's $6.50. There is no coupons. So you could replace that with something else. You can replace it with razors, with some Garnier shampoo conditioner, if you don't do coffee. Alrighty. Now you're at $30.45. Of course, we have an instant savings, so that's why we're over. You got $14 in coupons and instant savings coming off, leaving you an out-of-pocket of $16.45. Okay? And then you're going to use your $13 in spend money that you earned during that first transaction that morning. And that's going to leave you $3.45 out of pocket that you're going to pay. And in return, you're going to get 15 items, guys. Okay, all total 15 items. And let's see how much all total those 15 items are actually going to cost you. Okay. For $24.70 all total for your day, for both your transactions, it's all it's going to cost you out of pocket. You're going to get 2 Purex, 2 Snuggle Beads, 3 Glade Air, and I can't believe it's butter. 3 Scott products, a Dawn dish, an Arm & Hammer detergent, and 2 of the Founding Fathers coffee. So, I think that is an awesome deal. It is a definite winner deal. Averages out to $1.64 an item, guys. And that's a winner chicken dinner. So, blessings. And I'll talk to you again real soon. Because we got clearance and we got something more to look forward to. So, look forward to those videos. And, of course, we'll have our daily deals. See you soon.